I'm not yours, you are not mine, gotta break the ties. But how do I kill it? This feels that I'm feeling. I knew you were wrong from the start, yeah. I am so deserving of someone who is willing. He did not deserve me, baby, that's the only cause. I don't wanna love him. 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 No, I don't wanna love him. No. Anymore. It's 3 a.m. My heart's racing. I know you're out messing around, but you ain't my problem now. How much longer until I get over the loneliness leading to my loneliness? Jump in its skies when I'm bored in your heart. Don't admit it, see us, baby, you're I don't wanna love him. 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 No, I don't wanna love him. No. Anymore. No quiero amarlo. No quiero amarlo. No quiero amarlo. No quiero amarlo. No quiero amarlo, no, no quiero amarlo, no. Nunca más.
¿Quién crees que eres? No puedes quedar en mi corazón.
Emotional. Something tells me I've been down this road before. Take me on a high and then he'll drop me low, then hurt me slow until I beg for more, and then I can't let go. Is it intentional? Is it easy to see I just lack self-control? Yeah. Baby, would you agree that I'm just vulnerable and I'm insecure and I'm wanting more? I'm wanting more. I'm wanting more. But your heart is cold. This is that toxic love. This is the shit that'll really you up. This ain't the love that I thought that we discussed, that I can trust. I've had enough of that toxic love. They say you get what you attracting, so I'm reflecting before I'm reacting. See, I got wisdom and I'm no victim. You get what you give and I'm giving you action. I could be your karma, be your drama, be loved by your mama, or be your trauma. Cause I'm hush and I'm not. You pick the right one and I'm toxic. This is that toxic love. This is the shit that'll really fuck you up. This ain't the love that I thought that we discussed, that I can trust. I've had enough of that toxic love. This is that toxic love. This is the that'll really thought that we discussed, that I can trust. I've had enough of that toxic love. This is that toxic love.
Caress me like you do. No one can get me higher than the moon. And I want all of him, every part of his journey. No one can caress me like he do. He pays for my bills with his kisses, shelters me with his arms.
heart is bleeding, trouble believing, wondering where I should go. I've been on the road all alone, I don't know what you want me to do. It's like I got a hole in my soul, and I know that it's coming for you. Yeah. So much pain, I would rather live without. So much rain, the sun don't make it through the clouds. Love's going crazy and it's spinning me around, spinning around. Now that I'm keeping all of these secrets, think I might be losing control. My heart is bleeding, trouble believing, wondering where I should go. So much pain, I would rather live without. So much rain, the sun don't make it through the clouds. Now that I'm keeping all of these secrets, think I might be losing control. Yeah, yeah, I'm so tired